Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. If today is your first time watching me in this channel or watching me in this video, please do not forget to follow me. I teach Igbo language. I help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. If you're a newcomer and a new beginner, you don't know where to start in Igbo language, don't worry, I got you. This channel and this video is for you. Keep watching. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to speak Igbo language. Few words you can use while speaking Igbo language. So guys, sit and watch. Enjoy yourself. Wait for me. Wait for me. What is wait for me in Igbo language? Cherem. Cherem. Cherem is wait for me. Cherem is wait for me. That is cherem, wait for me. Kebi naga. Where are you going to? Kebi naga. Where are you going to? Or you meet someone, you say, what is your name? What is your name? Aha gi ogini. Aha gi ogini. Aha gi ogini. That is, what is your name? Or you see someone, you say, how old are you? How old are you? Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị? How old are you? Afọ ole ka ị dị? How old are you? Afọ ole ka ị dị? Or you see someone and you say, I like you. I like you. What does that mean? It means ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. I like you. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. That is, I like you. Excuse me. What do you say? You say, biko chere. Biko chere. Biko chere. That is, excuse me. Biko chere. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is echi. Echi means tomorrow. Echi means tomorrow. I'm hungry. I'm hungry means agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. I'm going to leave you guys to learn this little one that I've done. If you like and enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Learn how to speak Igbo language. See you guys in my next video. Bye.